Bro, we got a 20-second delay. Bro, we got a 20-second delay. Yeah, that's wild. $15 till 6:30.
I've always been pretty good with money. I've got some savings, a 401k, a few investments here and there. But it hit me recently. My money's just sitting there. It's not really working for me. That's when I came across Peak Multifamily.
I want to watch this guy, but I don't know if I can go live. Well, he goes live. Yeah, I was on Kick, but I think I like YouTube much better. And it's gonna save all my lives. Like, YouTube is the move. So the plan is ORB. Give you a little breakdown.
The 15-minute orb strategy is everywhere right now, but most traders are losing money with it. Why? Because it's predictable and the smart money uses it to trap you. So let me show you what's actually going on and potentially how to use this setup the right way. Ariane, this video is for you, and for those of you that don't know, every single week I make a personalized video response to one of your questions from the previous video's comments. Ariane asked, can you make a video on the 15-minute orb strategy? Absolutely, bro. Let's get into it. The strategy sounds simple. Mark the high and the low of the first 15-minute candle after the New York Open from 9:30 to 9:45 Eastern Standard Time. If the price breaks above, go long. If the price breaks below, go short. It's supposed to give you one clean breakout trade every morning. But here's the truth. Most of the time, the first move is a trap. Institutions know retail traders use this strategy. So they fake the breakout, grab the stop losses, and reverse. Now, they say to trade this on high volatility assets like the Nas100, the S&P 500, even gold. So let's look at gold and see exactly how this is working out long term. So the concept is very simple. Mark the high and mark the low of the first 15-minute candle of the day. Draw a range across this candle. If a candle breaks out of this range and closes above this range, you go long. If it closes below, you go short. And to not trade within the range, you put your stop loss below the range. And I'm being very conservative here, using a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. And this is theoretically how it should play out. But if you continue going on each day, you can see we got stopped out, we hit a loss, a win, a loss, another loss, another loss, and to be determined. So of the last 8 trading days on gold, you had 2 wins and 5 losses. This one is to be determined, but it looks like it's going to be a winner. So just using the last 8 trading days, we have 4.5% profits, but 5% losses, which means we're down 0.5% in 8 days. It's like you wasted a week. Key things that you have to remember here about any type of market structure and liquidity. Liquidity pools live above and below ranges. Fakeouts trigger breakouts, which leads to a reversal. Orb has no context, no trend, no structure, and no liquidity. It's not keeping these in mind. If you enter a trade because price broke the box, you're basically trading blind. Now, that doesn't mean that the orb is useless, it just needs more context. Here's how to fix it. Only trade orb in the direction of the higher time frame trend, like the 15-minute or the 1-hour bias. Watch for fakeouts and then trade the re-entry back inside the range. And add confirmation. Structure breaks, liquidity sweeps, or even tools and indicators. So even something as simple as drawing out a trend line and using tools like Fibonacci is going to keep you out of these useless trades when you know that after a large move, price is likely to pull back to a Fibonacci retracement level and also reject off of that, which is why after we had the rejection, we had a winning trade using the orb strategy. On this example, we've broken the downtrend to the upside, but the orb strategy is telling us to go short. We would know using extra confluences that that was not a good option. Same with this one. We are still trading above that downtrend line. Why would you go short into it? If you want to use the orb strategy the way that you're using it now, that's fine. But what I want you to do is learn more information. Learn about liquidity sweeps, learn about market structure, learn about the key Fibonacci zones that price likes to retrace to based on supply and demand of that asset in that time frame. Basically, the orb strategy can work, but you can't use the orb strategy as like the cheat code of day trading. There are way better trading strategies than this. There are also indicators that can help you do this better, but you need more education than drawing a box around a single candle. That just kind of sounds like common sense to me. So shameless plug, if you're looking for a place where you can learn absolutely everything in a step-by-step guided process, just go to trdfloor.com. Also, a massive teaser I'm probably not supposed to talk about, we're releasing a learn as you earn program. So you better get in now before the price goes up. If you guys enjoyed this video and you got some value out of it, leave a like down below. Or if you have a specific question on day trading,
Okay, so that is pretty much what I've been trying to do. If you look at my situation, I need to be at 100K. It's a funded account, so I need 100K to be able to make money. At 98,000, I am not only down almost 2K, but none of the profits actually count. I mean, I guess it does count, but I mean, like, it's not, I don't feel like I'm making money when I make profits when I'm under, so type shit. Nasdaq or Dow 30 is the question. Let's go Nasdaq. I'm saving Dow 30 for when the mentor calls, what the mentor calls. So we're gonna see. the plan is to live trade from around 6:30 to 7:30, and then either I close out everything or just 6:30, 7:30. Cause bro, I'm working every day for the next 2 months, pretty much. So 6:30 to 7:30, I'm trying to be off. Um, so that's the plan. But I'm glad to be back making some type of content, bro. Like I was doing good making sports bets, and I was getting cooked and cooked. Oh my gosh, it was just a struggle. Let's see what we got here. I want to change my YouTube. Damn, hold on. Nigga crashing out. Hold on, bro. Look at this.
All right, let me. In his first game, let's take a look and see if defensive tackles are in there, and that is Trayvon Merritt, who gets that shot to the face from Juwan Jennings before these two teams leave the field.
Yeah, obviously there's something that happened during the ball game or throughout the course of the game that.
In his first game, let's take a look and see if defensive tackles are in there, and that is Trayvon Merritt, who gets that shot to the face from Juwan Jennings before these two teams leave the field.
Yeah, obviously.
That is crazy.
Trade idea. That's like marrying a girl that all she does is go to the club and drink every single day. Like, I shouldn't stay with someone like that. So why should I stay with a trade idea that isn't doing what I want it to do? For example, even if I have a biased direction to the downside, that's my trade idea. But if it starts showing me that it's going higher, I'm going to be open-minded to that direction as well, because I'm not going to marry that direction to the downside if it's showing me something else. I can make money to the upside too. So being prepared for both directions is very, very important.
Okay. Market has opened. Get my lines ready. So far nothing crazy. Let me check news real quick. No more red folder news for the rest of the day. 200 today would be nice. 200 today would be nice. I'm gonna go ahead. Hell no. I'm gonna go ahead and put that there. Nothing crazy. Still waiting. So the plan is mark up the first 15 minute and then we move down to the 5 minute and I guess try to catch a breakout. I mean, I am tired as fuck, dude. 10-hour shift. And I was supposed to be off usually Sundays, but anyways. My patience is slim. Waiting 15 minutes is a long time, low key. Play one of my beats while we wait. All my beats are mixed terribly. Mixed awfully. Let's go ahead and see if we got something. I should be looking at MT5. This is the day. I acted like I wanted to break that. I mean, I could see it selling. It's up pretty high too. Kind of. I mean, right here would be the better spot to sell. Really, right here. I don't. See, this is sitting on a little box. Look at this downtrend, bro. This downtrend is crazy. This is the day. Like, the downtrend is nasty. Yeah, as far as anything I feel like we should know on this, I mean, it hit the green line right there. But nothing really coming at me crazy. Put the 15-minute right here too. Gold. Straight lines. Top of the 15. So far, the bottom of the 15. Low-key, I feel like it's... If I had to guess, I'm going to guess a push-up. But we're going to see. So that's the MT5, what that one looks like. And I like to mark previous 15. I can dotted line the... Wow. Oh. Okay, never mind. It's pushing down. Still pushing. Touching the 50 though. Damn. That's $100 range for the 15-minute. Let's see. See what happens. Three more minutes until that first 15 closes. Damn, it's still going. I was feeling biased. I was gonna say the 5-minute was about to close, but I mean, 5 minutes rolling. This is the open range though right here. What a change these. Man, it's going heavy. Yeah, I'm low key falling asleep just because, bro, I've been working like a motherfucker. That's all. But 2 more minutes till the 5 minute closes. I'd rather be falling asleep here than falling asleep at work, bro. Let's get the vibe right. Mm. See, now I got energy. Damn, 5 minutes is closing. Let's push down a lot. Five-minute just closed. Honestly, not good. What are we gonna do? Is it a fake out? Is thy question. Or is it a retest? Is the question. Let's go back to here. Let's mark it. 15-minute ended up going here. 5-minute ended up closing. Came down a big bunch. It came down a bunch, but coming back in the range, it looks like. Retesting that top. Retesting the bottom of the ORB. Like, low key, I want to buy. Like, on here, the chart looks naked, but you see on here, just get this out the way. Look at that right here. What is this for? Like 5 o'clock. I could see it coming down to about this area right here. Filling in those. But it is coming back in the range. Yeah, it's coming back in the range. Could just be a massive fake out. If it is a massive fake out, though, let's come back strong. Damn. I don't know, man. I don't know. Wow. See what happens. And that's exactly what he was saying on the video. It fakes out and then it goes. Back in the middle of the range. Just pushing up heavy. Seven o'clock now. Sometimes at 7 we see a reversal, so I am salty I didn't catch none of this back up though. See what it tries to do here. Come back down. Hmm. Wow. See if it goes past this 15-minute. Five-minute. Coming back into the range. Listen. So far, it's not looking good for us, bro. We haven't gotten an entry in. Haven't gotten a lot of confidence in the entry. I wanted to buy. I feel like buying up here is a little bit too much now. Filling back in, pushing back up. Mm. I got set to risk 100. Damn, 30. Touching the ORB again. Interesting. $51. The question is, yeah, it's holding that range. This is the problem. I wanted to come back down here, even though I should have took it right there. If it doesn't, breaks below this, that's honestly not the best sign. Breaking below this. Breaking below this could be GG's. You would think it's a sell though, because it broke out first. At the same time, Asking for it to come back here, maybe asking a little too much. Put 75. Looks like it's about to push that. Okay. Oh shit. Okay, I entered. I got take profit up here. Stop loss down here. We're gonna move this stop loss up, considering it is less than 1 for 1. 410. 420. Put it at 420. Come on, go back to the top. So I'm risking 88. Reward is 66. This shit moves so fast. Like, I have a tiny lot of 0.02. It moves so quick. Dang. Staying in the range though. I move my stop loss up. See what it looks like on MT5. Honestly, it's pushing up nice, but it's pushing up kind of nice. Clear that wick. I'm going ahead and I'm taking half. I'm taking half because I don't really like how it looks all that much, to be honest. But I took half. And now my risk is at it's probably gonna get there. Risk is at 40. Damn, it's pushing. Let's modify 900. What? It's a good push up. It's not getting there though. It's a good looking 5 minute. Let's see what the 15's doing. Yeah, crazy wick. It's a crazy wick. See what the 15 is doing. It's slow, but it's steady. Okay, I took the rest. I'm just gonna see what happens. It just doesn't look amazing. It looks amazing that the fact that it came back into range. It just doesn't look amazing the fact that on this. I mean, it's a nice wick too. But on this, I mean, it does look kind of nice. It's above the 50. It wicked above the 50. Looks kind of nice. Not gonna lie. So we'll see. Right here is touching the green and the blue, but still, And on the day, I don't know. We're gonna see. I still got Ethereum rolling, but yeah. All right, people. Let me know if that ends up hitting. TP was 800, but when you down like I am, you definitely need to make money. But I don't know. It's just, I don't know. I just feel a little bit sketched about it. All right. If you watch this, I appreciate you. See you tomorrow. I was training by myself. Hopefully tomorrow I get to train my uncle. So we're gonna see what happens. Let me get nice up close and personal real quick. Doses. Give you that nasty deuces.